environment, natural disaster. Gravity's been around me.
Guys, I am back with another video. I know you guys probably are like, for all the ones that have been following me, subscribed to me for so long, I know you like, where have you been? And the ones that are new probably are like, who are you? For the ones that don't know me, I am UglyChrisszy and this is my YouTube channel, and I am so grateful for all 10,000 subscribers. I did not make a video for that, so I finally made 10,000 subscribers August 13th. I'll never forget that. It's the reason why I'll never forget that day. But I made 10,000 subscribers, and also a few days ago I made 11K subscribers. So I mean, this is just something to be proud about, and honestly it's so crazy and it's really real when they say write down your goals, because I told myself before the summer is over I want 10,000 subscribers, and I got it. You guys will be receiving at least 2 to 3 videos from me every week. Thank you guys for being so supportive. I've been kind of going through a lot of things, you know, life just does things to you. It does to everybody, but if you keep a positive mindset and keep pushing through, everything falls together, right? So I mean, it's nothing to really worry about. So I'm back and I'm better. So today this video is going to be based on a nice fall look. It's fall time and I live in Chicago, and I'm just so excited. This is my favorite time of the year. So I just decided to do a really easy fall look for you all, and it's really simple. It's beginners friendly and it's just really easy. And it looks like this. I really like it. I'm glad it turned out the way I imagined it to turn out. So if you guys continue to watch this video, you will see exactly how I applied this beautiful masterpiece together. And also do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the like button because you will like this video. And also leave a comment. I'm always down for comments. I love to hear what you guys have to say to me. I love to reply back. So please be, you know, open and let me know if you guys have any suggestions on a new video that you might want to see from me. But like I promise, you guys will be seeing me more often because I'm so excited. I have so much in store. I have so much to tell you guys and share with you guys, and you know, we're like all family now, you know. So it's 10,000 of you guys, it's 11K of you guys. So continue to watch this video and you guys will receive all the info on this simple fall look. It's really simple, really simple. Let's get started into this tutorial. So this is gonna be just a quick, simple fall look. So my face is kind of oily right now, so I'm just gonna get a makeup wipe. Going to do my eyebrows right off camera because it's going to take me forever and I don't want this video to be overly long. So I'm finished with my eyebrows. I used Ruby Kiss's Face Creator 3D and LA Girls Pro Concealer and Pure Beige, and now I'm going to complete the face. I'm going to apply my foundation. The foundation I use is Maybelline Fit Me. This is my all-time favorite and I use it on my clients. You can never go wrong with Maybelline Fit Me. So before I apply my foundation, I kind of feel like maybe it's because I haven't been taking care of my skin lately as much as I usually do. I've been feeling like my eyes have been getting like darker underneath, but I've always been doing this. So I always just apply the concealer before I apply my foundation and just blend it out. I don't use color corrector. That's just something I just don't use. I prefer not to, not on me. So I use Toffee 330. I use the matte. Every time I end up accidentally getting the dewy smooth, and Lord Jesus, let's talk about how oily my face be. Okay, so I'm gonna come back in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer and Pure Beige. I just always put it like on the side of my hand, and I am just going to apply the concealer right underneath my eye. I go across when I am blending in my concealer on my forehead, I just make sure it's blending in with the concealer that I used to clean up my brows, so it won't be a separation when I'm taking a picture with a flash. So I'm going to use my Sacha and press right into my concealer. So after I finish applying my setting powder, I am now going to warm up my cheeks. So I always warm up my cheeks with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I think, yeah, this is light to medium. And I always use UglyChrisszy's powder in chocolate. Left on the brush, I just slightly go across my forehead, so it won't be any harsh lines from the setting powder that I placed on top of the concealer. So now I'm going to take my UglyChrisszy's chocolate. Use my UglyChrisszy's chocolate to contour my nose. So now we're gonna get to the fun part, the creative part, and that is the eyes. But this time, this is gonna be a really easy, simple fall look. So I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna keep it simple, and it might be just like only 3 steps. So this is really beginner friendly. Now the only thing I really hate about trying to figure out a new look or anything, I never know what palette I want to use. I always have my favorites, and I try to step out, you know, out of the box and, you know, not use the same things, but it's really eating me alive right now. So I think I'm going to use one. I don't even know if I use this palette in any one of my videos. I'm not too sure, but this is Dream Street palette from Colourpop, and the colors are really cute, and I think they're like close to fall, and I like the neutral colors that are in there, so I'm going to use them because I want this look to be really simple yet, you know, popping. And I'm also going to use some brushes that I really don't use as much, but I really like these brushes. I got them from Target a long time ago, maybe probably a year and a half ago, and they have like little snakes on them, and they're golden black. I love golden black, so I'm going to use these today just on my eyes because I'm not going to do much. They're not like Morphe or anything like that, so I'm not going to really use these brushes for cut crease or anything like that, but I think for this look it'll do. So the first color I'm going to use in this palette, and I actually have never used these colors because they have not been touched. So I'm going to use these 2 colors, and then for my waterline I'm going to use the darker shade. So I'm going to use this color and just rub it into my crease. Back with the lighter shade. As you can see, it's not much that I've done with this eye, and I know it's probably like look crazy because I always think eyeshadow looks really crazy without eyeliner, but I didn't want to do much because I want to put a popping lip on. So I'm going to take the first color, the darker color that I got, and I'm going to warm up the end of my lid. So after that, I'm just going to take my tapered powder brush and I'm going to knock off all the Sacha. So now I'm just going to apply a really thin line of eyeliner. gonna apply my L'Oreal mascara on my lashes. So I'm gonna apply my fauxmink lashes. I get these all the time from the beauty supply store. I really like them. They remind me of what's the other lashes? Vegas nail lashes. So, but they have like more styles that I'm really more so interested in. So these are really my favorite. These are the number one. They're 3D. To come back with the darker color right underneath my eye, like a purple wine color. It's so cute. So now I'm going to apply my blush. It's the L'Oreal, and it's always kind of tough to pick which one I'm gonna use, but since this is a soft look, I'm not going to put, did I say looked? Soft look. Since this is a soft look, I'm just going to apply a really soft pink, not too much. So now I'm gonna get on and do my lips. So I'm thinking about like a dark color. I have a bag full of like all just my matte lips. So I'm gonna pick one. It's so hard. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use my Maybelline, I think I'm gonna use my Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid. I never used this. I don't know when I purchased it. I purchased it probably a while ago. So I'm just gonna outline my lips with the lip liner, and I'm gonna pop that color right on. So I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this color is Gingerbread. Now I'm gonna put on the Vivid Matte Liquid, and I think this is called Gray Envy in the number 2. It's cute. It is. I thought it was gonna be a totally different color, but it's cute. I like. So actually though, I feel that I should darken it up as far as the lip liner. So I'm gonna come back with my dark brown lip liner a little bit. So now that that's done, this is actually really pretty and I'm loving it. I'm going to highlight my face up. So I'm going to use my Master Chrome by Maybelline. Now it is really crushed up, but I still use it, okay? And the only reason why I have not went and bought another one is because this is my 3rd time coming to my makeup bag and this is crushed up like this. So maybe I should buy 2 at a time. Put one in my travel and also have one at home, so when I'm filming I won't look ratchet or crazy. But hey, this is the life of a person that loves makeup. You're gonna have something that's shattered. So I'm just gonna highlight my face. This is my favorite. It's honestly the best. So this is the finishing look. I am so, yeah, like I love it. I feel like it's easy. It's very inexpensive. I will definitely have everything listed down below. And yeah, it's really cute. It's soft, so you can wear it for like a date night. You know, most men don't like lipstick, but who gives a shit? But I love it. It's so easy going on the eyes. I feel like the dark wine purple color underneath is just like making your eyes even more sexier. My lashes are very flirty, and my lipstick actually came out really pretty. This is my first time using it. I thought it was gonna be darker, honestly, but I think it's really soft. I feel like it all came together. I love the warm yet bright look on my eyes. It's not too much, but then eyeliner is just making the lashes look, you know, it's letting the lashes do its job. You know, it's not in the way. But I truly like this look. I was gonna throw an outfit with this, but the lip color isn't really matching the purse, so I'm gonna wait for that, and I'm just going to like throw get ready with me video for that look. I'm sorry again for being gone for so long. Let me know if you try this look out. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think I should have did differently. Let me know any type of videos that you guys are willing to see next. I'm always willing to, you know, take in suggestions, and also you guys can email me. You can email me. My email is down below. Email away. You can hit me up on Instagram, UglyChrisszy, Twitter, UglyChrisszy, and of course here.